Students, what happens when metals react with dilute acids? Dilute acids like the dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl, dilute sulfuric acid, H2SO4, those metals which are present above from hydrogen like potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron and lead. They are present above hydrogen. When these metals react with dilute sulfuric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, they form metal salts and evolve hydrogen gas. While those which are present below hydrogen, they do not evolve hydrogen gas and do not react with dilute acids. So, here metal react with dilute acid to form metal salts and hydrogen gas. For example, when sodium react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, which is a metal salt, and evolve hydrogen gas. Similarly, magnesium with the reaction of dilute sulfuric acid, it forms magnesium sulfate with the evolution of hydrogen. Now, in case of iron, iron react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form iron 2 chloride. This is called iron 2 chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc also forms zinc sulfate with the reaction of sulfuric acid and evolve hydrogen. But in case of copper, copper is below hydrogen, so it is less reactive than hydrogen. Therefore, when copper react with hydrochloric acid, there is no any reaction takes place and not evolve hydrogen gas. It means these metals which are present below hydrogen, they are less reactive than hydrogen and they do not displaces the hydrogen of acid in the form of hydrogen gas. Students, I want to tell you that when metals react with dilute acid to evolve hydrogen gas, why this is? This is because when metals react with dilute acid, it releases electrons and these electrons accepted by the H plus ion of acid and to form hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas is evolved in this reaction. While those which are low reactive, they are not able to lose electron so that they do not reduce H plus ion of acid into hydrogen. In case of water, when metals react with water, water is slightly ionized and it dissociates into H plus ion and OH minus ion. This H plus ion is hydrogen ion and this is hydroxyl ion. So when metals react with water, then they loses electrons if metals are highly reactive. When it loses electrons, that electrons accepted by the H plus ion of water and to form hydrogen gas, so that we conclude in case of acids or in water, highly reactive metals react with acid and water, they evolve hydrogen gas. In case of nitric acid, it is a strong oxidizing agent. When metals react with nitric acid, it produces hydrogen and that hydrogen is oxidized by the nitric acid into water, so that hydrogen gas do not evolve in this reaction. Only two metals, they are magnesium and manganese, can react with very dilute nitric acid, because very dilute nitric acid is not a strong oxidizing, it is a little weak oxidizing agent. Now when we will make it dilute, in this case magnesium and manganese when react with very dilute nitric acid, they evolve hydrogen because it is very weak, so that it does not oxidize the hydrogen into water. Students, metals which are present low in reactivity series like silver, gold, platinum, they are called noble metal. They do not react with acids. So that goldsmith make a mixture and that mixture is named as aqua regia. This aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid. When these two concentrated acids mixed in the ratio 3:1 to form aqua regia. This mixture is called aqua regia and it can dissolve noble metal like gold, silver and platinum also. This mixture is also called royal water. Now in the next video, we will discuss the reaction of metals with hydrogen and with other salt solutions. Thank you.